Have you ever thought about traveling the world without money? Now imagine not just traveling, but also making money on the go. Sounds like a far-fetched dream, doesn't it? But let me tell you, it's more feasible than you might think. This video will delve into the fascinating world of work exchange, the digital nomad lifestyle, teaching languages abroad, sustainable travel through volunteering, and some insider tips and tricks. Stick around if you want to turn this dream into a reality. The first step to traveling without money is understanding the concept of work exchange. This is a unique approach to travel where you trade your skills and time for accommodation and sometimes meals. It's a symbiotic relationship where both parties benefit. You, as a traveler, get to explore new places without worrying about room and board. On the other hand, hosts gain assistance in various tasks which could range from farming to teaching languages, or even web design. There are platforms that facilitate such arrangements. Take Workaway or Woof, for instance. These online platforms connect travelers with hosts from all around the world, making it easier for people to embark on their work exchange journeys. The options are vast and varied, catering to different skills and interests. So, whether you're a professional photographer, an amateur gardener, or someone who loves to cook, there's likely a work exchange opportunity waiting for you. In a nutshell, work exchange is about giving your time and skills in return for a place to stay. Now let's talk about another way you can travel without money while making money: the digital nomad lifestyle. Imagine this: you're sipping a coconut on a beach in Bali, laptop propped open, writing code for a client halfway across the world. Or perhaps you're nestled in a cozy cafe in Paris, crafting compelling content for a travel blog. This is the life of a digital nomad. The digital nomad lifestyle is all about leveraging the power of the internet to work remotely, anywhere in the world. With a solid internet connection and a laptop, you can be a graphic designer in Greece, a social media manager in Mexico, or a virtual assistant in Vietnam. It's about finding a balance between work and wanderlust. It's about exploring new cultures, cuisines, and landscapes without neglecting your professional responsibilities. This lifestyle isn't for everyone, but for those who crave adventure and independence, it can be a game changer. Being a digital nomad means having the freedom to travel while still earning a living. Another great way to travel without money is by teaching languages. This approach is particularly effective if you're fluent in English, given its global demand, but it isn't limited to just English. If you're proficient in any other language, there's a good chance you'll find someone wanting to learn it. Now you might wonder, how do I start? Well, you'll be glad to know there are numerous platforms out there to help you kickstart your language teaching journey. One such platform is Italki, where you can connect with language learners from around the world, right from the comfort of your own home, or perhaps from a cozy cafe in Paris, or a sunlit veranda in Italy. The possibilities are endless. Teaching languages not only provides a source of income, but it also gives you the opportunity to immerse yourself in different cultures, make new friends, and broaden your horizons. Teaching languages can open doors to numerous opportunities around the world. Let's dive into the world of volunteering and sustainable travel. Volunteering abroad is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in a new culture, make a tangible impact, and often cover some or all of your travel expenses. Opportunities abound, from teaching English to building homes, and organizations are always on the lookout for willing hands. But let's not forget about sustainable travel. This is about making choices that support environmental conservation and local communities. It's opting for a bike ride instead of a cab, choosing locally owned accommodations, or eating at restaurants that source their food locally. These choices not only lessen your environmental footprint, but can often save you money too. So consider volunteering or adopting sustainable practices on your next journey. You'll not only save money, but also enrich your travel experience by connecting deeper with local communities, cultures, and environments. Volunteering and sustainable travel can be rewarding and budget-friendly ways to see the world. Now that you know the ways to travel without money, here are some tips and tricks. First off, packing light is a game changer. It saves you from unnecessary baggage fees, plus, it's less of a hassle. Stick to the essentials and leave room for flexibility. You never know when you'll need that extra space for a spontaneous souvenir or a local delicacy you just can't resist. Next, consider hitchhiking. It may sound daunting, but it's a great way to meet locals and get from point A to point B without spending a dime. Just be sure to prioritize your safety and trust your instincts. Now let's talk about couchsurfing. It's an incredible platform that connects travelers with locals willing to offer a free place to stay. It's not just about free accommodation but also about cultural exchange and making lasting friendships. Cooking your own meals can also save you a ton. Local markets are treasure troves of fresh, affordable ingredients. Plus, cooking is a skill that can also be your ticket to a work exchange opportunity. Lastly, planning and research are essential. Know the customs of the places you're visiting, understand the cost of living, and be aware of the exchange rates. The more you know, the better you can navigate your journey. With these tips and tricks, you are ready to embark on your moneyless travel journey. Traveling the world without money while making money may sound like a dream, but it's entirely possible. We've journeyed together through the concept of work exchange, where you trade skills for accommodation. We've delved into the digital nomad lifestyle, a modern approach to work and travel that rides the wave of technological advancement. We've explored teaching languages, an opportunity that opens doors to cultural exchange and income. We've also shed light on volunteering and sustainable travel, ways to give back while on the road. And of course, we've shared some tips and tricks to make these methods work for you. So, why not give it a shot? The road less traveled is often the most rewarding. Try these strategies. Perhaps you'll find a path that resonates with you, a path that could transform your journey into an adventure of a lifetime. Remember, the world is your oyster. It's time to start exploring without breaking the bank.